Mom, where are we going? We're going to the park. We and Zai Zai. Are we going to the park?
15 yards at the roundabout.
Where are we going?
To stay on Broadway North.
Tell me, you tell me, Zai. And Amar, tell me where we going. Oh, we going to the park. OMG.
Quarter of a mile at the roundabout. Second exit onto Broadway.
Hello guys, what a guan, what's up guys? I hope you guys are in a good mood, happy. I hope everything is okay. I hope you are healthy. I hope that you're being blessed and highly favored. So today, me and my 2 grandkids were going to the park. Yes, God help me. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with 2 toddlers, but God help me. Yes, all I can say.
Onto Broadway.
All I can say, God help me.
Left onto Dells Green Road.
Papa, 2 toddlers and 1 grandmama. They're gonna make me go climb the walls. Yes guys, so today is a beautiful day and I decided to take them to the park today. So like guys, watch out and see what going on, yeah? Sit back, relax and wait for this mega armasa. Wait for this episode. Yeah? It's gonna be a banger. I'm gonna say hello to the people there. Hello people. Hello people. Zai Zai. Zai Zai. Hello people. Okay guys, let's go.
Turn left onto Dells Green Road.
Oh, that's a pond.
Oh, the pond.
Yes, and it's got fishes in it. Yes, got some fishes there. Yeah. Fishes in there. Come, Zai. Come, Zai. Look at these fishes. Deep water. Deep water. Come, we're not going over there, Papa. Zaire, come. We're not going to climb up over there. This way, Zai. This way. Put your shoes. Come put your shoes on. Put the shoes on. I'm all this woman. All this for grandma. Zaire. Let's go. No, grandma can't lift your papa. Okay, let's go at the top. Let's go. Come, Zai. Zai. Thank you. Good boy. This way, Zaza. Call him, Papa. Tell him to come. Here comes Zaire, Zaire. Come, Zaire, come. Let's go. This way. No, no touching. No, leave it, Zaire. Get here. Come. This way. This way, Zaire. Amar, come. Amar. Come. Come, Zaire. Come, Zaire. Zaire, let's go. Bye-bye. Come. Hmm? No, I'm not gonna put my thingy over there. Come, let's go. Can't put it over there, Papa. You'll drop in there. There's a lot of apple tree here. Come, Zai. Leave the thing alone and come. Listen.
Mom.
It's dirty. Come. Dirty. Jesus Christ. Come, let's go. You want the slippers? Pass the slippers, give me a man. Come, Zaire, put your slippers on. Zai, come, put your slippers on. I know you're locking up. We're going at the top now. 5 o'clock, innit? You finish at 5. We close at 5.
Lock all the doors at 5.
Okay.
Everybody's supposed to be out by then.
Oh, we're coming up. Yes. Let's put your slippers on.
No, chucking people at the line. Just what time you do.
Yes. Nice. Amar. Is it nice? Oh. Zai. Zai, only ice cream properly. Nice. Give grandma some. Let grandma have some. Zai. Can grandma have some? No. Zaire. No. Come, Zaire. Listen. Come here, Zaire. No. That's not your dog. That's not your dog, Zaire. Come. Come give grandma some. Give grandma some. Ooh. Nice. Amar is very kind. Zaire, give grandma some ice cream. Give grandma some. You're not giving grandma some? Nice. You're messing up your clothes, man. Like it? Nice? Is it nice? Wow. Are you enjoying it, Amar?
Yes.
Is it nice? Are you loving it?
Good.
Okay, let me have some. Can I have some, Zai?
Mom?
Can I have some?
Mom?
Can I have some, Papa? Yes. Digga. Huh? Okay, let me have some. Zai, not sharing. Zai. Sharing is caring. Or is it caring is sharing? Let me have some. Ooh, you giving me some. Wait. Come. No. No. Okay, let's go at the top. Come, let's go. This way. Come, Amar, come. Amar, let's go, Papa. Amar. Come, Amar. Dada, eat ice cream. Eat ice cream. Okay, wait until the car passes. Okay, let's go now. Come.
The upstairs.
Yep.
The upstairs.
It's a race, you know, guys.
Let's start down in the pub. Serena's yakking apparently.
Oh, it's a pond. Now we have to be very careful here. Okay? That's a duck.
Oh wow! What's that?
It's a duck. No, not close, not close.
What's that?
It's ducks, pretty ducks.
What's that?
Okay, let's walk over here. Let's walk over this side, it's more safer. Come. Zai. Come, Mama. Come.
سريع هناك عشان حياكلوا وحدة حتاكلوا وحدة.
Okay, we can stand here now and see the duck. It's much safer here.
مسافة دي تاكلوا حياكلوا وحدة.
Oh, no, we're not climbing up. We're not climbing up. We're just standing. Let me hold the ice cream for you. Amar, we're not going over there. There, we're not climbing up there. Get down. You love to climb too much. My little ducky.
And ducky.
Little ducky.
Ducky.
المشكلة هذا ما في عليهم بدون يدهم. عندك حاجة زيادة.
Look at that diver climbing up. Get down. No.
There's 2 fires. Please leave the park.
2 fires.
Yeah, please leave.
Okay. Let's go. We need to leave the park. It said there's 2 fires. Come, Zaza. Come, Amar. Come. So there's fire somewhere.
No.
We have to leave.
Bring down.
2 fires. Excuse me. 2 fires. 2 fires.
Hold on, let's see. Did I turn this off? What's the matter? Zaire, stop it. What's the matter, Papa? Okay. Amar, sit in your chair. Sit in your chair, please. Sit in your chair, good boy. Good boy. Leave the door and sit in your chair. Good boy. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay, Amar, sit back. Sit back, let grandma fix it. No, leave that, Amar. Sit back, let grandma fix it properly. Good boy. Put your hands in. Good boy. Well done. Who is a good boy today? Is it Amar? Amar being a good boy? Amar, we have to leave the park because they said it's a fire somewhere. Okay? Let's see where we can go after. You want water? Liza, you have your bottle here.
Coffee.
Yes?
Yes.
Chicken.
Chicken.
You want some chicken? And Zaza is sleeping over there. Zaza? Zaza is sleeping. Oh, Zaza is sleeping. So what do you want, Amar? Do you want some wings? Do you want some chicken? What do you want? Having some chicken, guys. So guys, we have to rush out of the park, you know, because guess what? Them said there was a 2 fires that was 2 fires started, maybe somewhere close to the park. But I don't think I believe them because I couldn't see no form of fire nor nothing. So, but why would they lie anyways? I don't know. Anyway, we leave the park and didn't even get to spend the amount of time that we wanted to spend. But we're gonna get some KFC at this moment. And Amar said he wants some KFC. Amar, you wanna sleep? You have to eat the KFC before you sleep, okay? Alright? Okay? Zai.
Say.
Wake up, listen to Zai. I have to fix his head. Okay, let's go and order some. Maybe I'm gonna order just for these 2 little boys. Chicken and some.
Hello, have you ordered on the app?
No. Can I have a 3-piece chicken, please?
What was that, sorry?
Can I have a 3-piece chicken meal?
3-piece meal, what drink with that?
Do you do orange juice?
No, sorry. We got Pepsi Max, Diet Pepsi, 7-Up Tango, Lipton, Joy Tea, Fruit Juice, Apple and Blackberry and Robinson, Cherry Max.
Okay, let's have a fruit juice shoot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that large?
Yes, please. Also, you know the Can I have 2 pieces of legs and
The thigh.
the thigh? Yes, sorry.
Thigh. 2 legs and a thigh.
Yeah, 2
Anything
legs
else?
and a thigh. Yes, that's it, my dear. Thank you very much.
Last and around 40.
Okay, thank you. La 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 la. Ba da 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 da. Come, Zai Zai, come down this side. Zai Zai. Zai. Come down this side.
That is really cool things you can make with stuff around the house. Yeah.
Zai Zai, dance. No. How about with it?
I'm a mixed class, and let's find out more about them. Let's ask Elmo's friend, Smarty.
Hey, Smarty.
Oh, Smarty. Hello there.
Amara, come. Zai Zai. Come for chicken.
It's
Zai.
all right.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a mask that
Chicken.
I made out of a paper plate. That's perfect, Smarty, because today I'm going to learn all about crafts.
Well, what do we do to learn something new?
We looked it up.
Looking up info on crafts. Here we go. You can turn rocks from the yard into animals like owls. You can make dolls out of pipe cleaners. Or you can fold up paper and make things like a flower.
That's so cool.
Wait till I show you another flip made out of popsicle sticks.
An airplane.
Happy crafting, Elmo. See ya.
Thank you, Smarty.
A tightrope.
Zai Zai. What are you doing?
Smarty could walk a tight.
Zai Zai and
When
Amara.
I read a book,
Zai Zai
I use
and
my
Amara.
imagination, and it's like I'm right in the middle of the action.
Okay, Elmo gets
Amara, Zai Zai is gonna go now, okay?
Yay!
Zai Zai, you're not gonna look like you should. Come on.
What do we do to learn something new?
We looked it up.
Getting a read on books. Here we go. Oh, wow. There are all kinds of books. Chapter books,
Zai Zai, get down. No matter.
books, and even coloring books. There are even books you can read on a screen. Like mine. Some books tell you lots of things about different places and people. And
Watch these 2 boys. Watch these 2 boys.
places
Watch
and
these 2 boys.
imaginary people.
Zai Zai and Amara. Watch it. Zai Zai and Amara.
Anyone can be an author.
Watch Zai Zai and Amara. Zai Zai.
They sure are.
Zai Zai.
Okay, got it.
Zai Zai.
Wait, find out how
Zai Zai.
reading turns out.
Zai Zai. Zai Zai. You look at Zai Zai. Yeah. This one Zai Zai. What's it?
Zai Zai.
It's easy. What's it?
Yeah.
Lay down for Amara and really. I won't look at Amara. You have to catch them moments so we can show them when they get bigger.
Yeah, all the home videos.
What up on those? Especially you, Zai Zai, you are the leader.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm the leader.
Ring leader. Is that you?
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Ring leader.
Was it singing with your sister?
Oh no, we're gonna go now.
Oh, it's now.
Yeah. It started at 6:30.
Oh, you're gonna take Zai Zai?
Yeah.
I need to change this top. And give him a bottle of milk before you leave out.
I've got milk. I've got milk with
Give him a
me.
bottle of milk because we eat some KFC, but he never eat a lot of it. And I think he's still hungry.